Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show and share my experience with Amazon.com. I'm selling not lot of items, little bit items, and I'm referring some friends and relatives or any other guys who know me in Facebook, Twitter, wherever they are. Just I'm sharing that the product linking, and because of the product linking they are purchasing some items which they need actually. I have joined this Amazon affiliate program. If you don't know about that, you just go to visit Amazon.com, and here you can see these options. Become an affiliate. So you need to become a member. Before that, you need to have some. Website or any YouTube channel. It will be very easy to share the links. And for example, how I am earning, see for my report, this month, last month August, I have earned $323. Really, everyone can make this money actually. So how I made this, I refer a lot of items to my actually those, I don't know who and all bought it, but I just share this link on my Facebook and through my videos. Whatever the possible way, just I shared. Even I can send emails to my friends so that they will come visit my links. If they like, they will buy the product, right? So same thing. See, a lot of people bought this product items, and also once you become an affiliate, you can earn through this referrals, such as, for example, if you refer Twitch Prime to your friends or any other person, if they are first time they have to purchase it, remember that those who know already, ask them to create with a new ID, email ID, and ask them to just register with the free trial so that you will get $3. A lot of bug bounties programs are there. See, this is I joined affiliate program Amazon. So here future promotions you can go. And example, I just want to show this. For example, here is a future promotions, and I like referrals actually. Here I am going all promotions. So see, this create an Amazon business account. Actually, I do not have that much. Those who are going to open the business. So for example, see this. Prime members start your free trial of CBS All Access with Prime Video channel. So this link, get this link, and you need to share this link actually. If you you need to copy this link. So you need to copy this link, and if you go and enter it, this will be stored in their cookies actually. So when they start their trial, so the 7 days trial with the new account and the credit card, with the new email account, not the existing one. If already they have that Amazon account, existing Amazon account, it will not work out. You will not get any bounties. They have to create a new one. So ask them to create a new one if your friends are creating, or else just leave them. Whoever is going to open first time at Amazon, so you will get $3 for this referral. So the next thing is which one? The Prime free. See, the Bread Box, HBO, Amazon free time, unlimited free trial, $3 you will get. Wow, this is cool. $5 bounty for every free trial you write to Amazon friends. This is super good. So don't forget, just refer this to your friends. Share this link. Ask them to create with a new ID, or any other guys who are just going to click your link, just ask them to create with a new ID. So that is the way I am earning actually. Luckily I am earning like that. So here I'm going to go home. I just want to share that. See, actually my total fees through the selling and bounties through 314. My total click is 943. See, total order items I can see this. So I earned really $323. This amount, it will be credited to my, actually I have a US account, or else you can get it through checks or you can get it through the Amazon Pay balance. I mean, sorry, promotion balance, or if the gift card, through gift card you can get that actually. So I just want to show my payment history. Last month it's very less. I got only $17, but I don't lose my hope. I was trying hard to get this. See how much payment I am getting. Day before month I got $79. It was cool. It is a little amount, but it will be very helpful to put your gas for your vehicle, or if you go anything like you can have ice cream, something like this. So I used to do like this. This is my additional expenses. So you can also earn. So whatever you need to do is so you need to go to this Amazon feature and promotions. You can select whatever the interested you are, and I'm going to example if I want to refer this Prime member, start your free trial breakbox with Prime Video channels. So get this link, just copy this link and share to your friends, email to your friends, share it on Facebook. So just share to your Facebook account so that people will click, automatically to be stored on their cookies. So this is the way I'm doing, and I earned some amount. So this is the way you can just try. If you want, I can provide all this promotions link to you. I can share in the descriptions. You can check out what are the links are available. It's very cool actually. So you can also earn. That's why I'm showing my earning reports, so that it gives confidence. It's not fake. I didn't do any magics or graphics or any Photoshop works, nothing. Just whatever the August month I earn, that I'm going to get on September. I think September end I will get it, because June month payout I got it this August 1st. Sorry, August end. So I think I will get this on October end. I like that. So hope. I think you can also try. You can earn money if you're at home or anytime when you're in leisure hours. Also you can do. That's it. Any comments, any help if you want, just please share it in my comments so that I can give some idea. I know some way how to. So this is the way you can do. And example, I like actually Hot Wheels on Amazon. So I have a lot of Hot Wheels collections. So I will put this to see my channels on YouTube. Actually, this is my channel, and I like Hot Wheels, and I have my own blog, a technical blog, YouTube. This Tech Wheels is my actually another technical blog. Here I'm just creating a lot of items, and I will buy cameras, whatever item I will make the video. I will post that in descriptions here, so that people will come and sometimes they might click here so that they can earn the money. That is the way I do actually. So not only this, because I have 14,000 subscribers, it's less, but I'm cool. And here this is another channel. I guess actually I am very much passionate about it, Hot Wheels, so I'm just making some videos, and I am referring some people to Amazon and driving through them so that I can get some commissions from them. This is just short and sweet. I want to share my experience so that you can start. And I'm planning, if you like, you just tell me that I will post step-by-step videos to how to make money through Amazon. That's it. Just try that. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to provide your comments in my video, and if you just need any ideas, anything, you just share in the comments, or you can post in the comments, so that I will look into that and I will make some step-by-step videos also. So that's it. Thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye.